Jai Hind children. Today we are going to do the comet work of subtraction. Here the first question, find the difference. A is 377 minus 184. Question is given. So you will arrange here 377 minus 184. Arrange vertically and then subtract 7 minus 4. It is 3. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So 7 will borrow 100, that is 10 tens, means it will become 10 plus 7, it will become 17 tens. Now from 17 tens, and this is left with 200. So 17 minus 8 is here 9. 9 tens are left. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 193. In the same way here also, B question, you will do it. Arrange 7,321 minus 6,110. In this way, 7,321 minus 6,110. Here you will subtract and here also you will write the answer, that is 193. The same way you will write the answer here. Subtract it and write down. Now going to the word problem section. This is problem. First problem. Neelam had 173 apples in a box. She takes away 54 apples out of it. How many apples are left in the box? So here for the first information that Neelam had 173 apples in a box, we have made the statement. Number of apples in a box is 173. She takes away 54 apples out of it. The second statement is number of apples taken away 54. So we have to find out now how many apples are left in the box. Number of apples left is 173 total minus the taken out, that is 54. You will subtract here. Show the calculation here itself. That is 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 119 apples are left in the box. This is your final statement, that is answer statement. Now second question is, this is also the same way, so I have given it as a homework. Please read the question carefully and with statements you have to solve. Now coming to the third question, that is Sonal has 398 stamps. How many more does she need to make collection of 500 stamps? Means how many more she is needed to make the collection of 500 stamps. Now she is at present she is having 398. So how many more she required to make it 500? For that, first statement is number of stamps Sonal has 398, and second statement number of stamps she needed to make 500 stamps, that is you have to find out 500 minus 398. Let us do this subtraction. Here 0 minus 8 is not possible. So this 0 will go to the tens place. Here also this 0 is not having anything. So this 0 will go to hundredth place, that is 500. So it will borrow 100 and it is left with 4. When 100 is borrowed, it means it will become 10 tens. Okay, 10 tens. So when 10 tens are there, now it can give 1 10 to the this here to the ones place. So it will be left with 9 tens, and this will become 10 ones. Now 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 102. So how many more she needed is 102 stamps. So the question is number of stamps she need to make collection of 500 stamps. So here you will write the answer. Sonal needs 102 stamps more stamps to make a collection of 500 stamps. Okay, this is your answer. Now, fourth question. Here, there are 122 children in class 3 and 160 children in class 2. How many less children are there in class 3 than in class 2? Here also you have to find out the difference in both the classes. So please try this one, do it on your own. This is also homework, question number 4. Now here in the question number 5, the distance between Delhi to Srinagar is 876 kilometers and Delhi to Shillong is 2059 kilometers. What is the difference of distance between the two places? You have to find out the difference. So distance between Delhi to Srinagar, the first statement is 876 kilometers, and distance between Delhi to Shillong is 2059 kilometers. So here the difference of distance between two places, you have to find out the difference, and here 2059 minus 876 is 1183 kilometers. So the difference of distance between two places is 1183 kilometers. Okay, this is how you will solve the word problems. Okay, in this way you will solve the word problems. Use the second and fourth word problem are homework, and rest all is classwork. I will send you this pic on the WhatsApp. And now next more challenging questions and the next mental maths and the fast track will be solved in the Zoom session. They will be discussed. Okay, thank you children.